Hello, my name is Jorge Traver. I'm ETOA's country representative in Spain. Working with destinations and making the most out of our local presence is fundamental to ETOA's work. Our aim is to share the benefits that the tourism brings and work to minimize the difficulties that it may also bring. And to do such thing, we do work together with local stakeholders, both from public and private sectors. Barcelona is a very good example of how fundamental the tourism is for local economy, but it also causes controversy. Are the jobs it brings good jobs? Is tourism changing the local character of the city? It has received 8 times the number of international visitors since the Olympic year. Therefore, Barcelona is one of the cities where ETOA works closely with both public and private sectors. To give 2 examples, we have a working group in Barcelona, and it's composed of some of our members, local actors, and international companies. And among themselves, they bring a lot of insight and knowledge about local things and how to handle different difficulties that might come along the way. And therefore, we benefit from their insight and altogether try to work on a much positive way to solve the problems and to share the good practices with other cities where we also have working groups. We also work with the City Hall and help them, giving them insight from the private sector to develop their marketing plan for the long term to make Barcelona a better place to live and to visit.